Hello everybody, back at it again with another cooking challenge. This one involves a chainsaw. We've been doing these cooking challenges. This will be our second one in the RV, just kind of showing you that different meals that we'll make, and if we can do it in an RV, you can do it at your house probably. So right now I'm going to cut up some firewood because we're having wood fire grilled steak tonight. So stay tuned for that. We've got Suzanna coming along. Beautiful foliage we've got here as well. Susanna's such a great helper with firewood. All right, Susanna, could you take this wood back up to camp and I'll cut it up there, and I'm gonna get a few more pieces while I'm down here.